Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're back again in Greece. Okay, my Greece friends. Firstly, I want to say thank you all so much for the love. Thank you all so much for the mutual support. You all did a great job on the last video. Ironically speaking, we're gonna react to Asteromáta. Well, this is definitely my first time. The audio which I reacted to the last time brings me here. Okay, so with this being said, let's all venture together because I want to get a better and a vivid picture of what the song detailed about in this video. So let's dive in. Peace. So she started the video with the fire in the background. And yes, compliments on her beauty. She's always this beautiful with a lot of elegance in her beauty, right? So let's beautiful scenery. This video is actually unique because if this place that I'm looking at now is in Greece, then eventually I would love to visit Greece someday. I have known about Greece from I was a youth growing up. It was always my dream to be in Greece with some of you all. But here in Jamaica, we have landmarks, but not as beautiful as Greece is. So, it would be my pleasure to be in your country to explore. And what I'm seeing thus now is literally inspired me to come to Greece even more. Oh, all right. So the video is beautiful so far. I would love to visit those landmarks someday. And this video that was shot here in Greece, bro, I'm not sure where specifically this video was shot, but the landmarks look so goddamn beautiful. Back, back. I'm feeling great. What a video so refreshing. What a woman so refreshing. This is a perfect, you know, video correlation, right? The woman and the video combines, it make one perfection, bro. Damn, this woman, bro. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, this video looks as if it's gonna be very mysteriously mystique, right? Because the man took up the feather to see where that feather fell from, and the scenery come back to, Klavdia. All right. So where she's standing, bro, so refreshing, bro. Welcome. Oh, why is this video is leading to a sad path? Why is this video looking so sad already? Because I do like video with, a little bit of joy, a little bit of sadness, a little bit of mutual, aspects. So if this is gonna go down into the sad part, then I'm bah, bah, bah. Okay, so she transitioned into a white dress. What a perfect look. Wow. 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 Oh my god, yo! Alright, alright, alright. This is so good, bro. This is so good. Who are those people? Right? What are their purpose in Greece? Are they some kind of, religious individuals, especially like Christianity? Sorry, because they look a little bit different from the rest of people I saw in this video. So I guess they are standing. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. This video is refreshing. Blah, blah. This video is refreshing, very refreshing. The person who wrote this video, perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Guys, I'm not sure what that animal called. Is it a deer? I'm not sure. Are those people Bigfoot? I'm not sure. God damn it, man. This video is sick. This video is sick. Oh wow. 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 Perfect, bro. Perfect. With the gathering here, around the fire, right? Is this a ritual or something, or is this just a part of the country's cultural aspect? Because to see things like this is literally different from my country, so I guess it's a part of the country's cultural heritage. Wow, wow, wow. That was unexpectedly amazing. Damn, damn. I enjoyed that video so much, bro. You know, with everything that took place in this video, a 10 for me. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. Peace.